If you are constantly fixing the decimal places in Excel for your calculations, this is how you do it quickly and permanently. To fix this setting for future work, go to File, then select Options, and then look for the Advanced section. Here we see that Excel is always adding 2 decimal places. If you need 3 decimal places, this is also where you will add them. But here we're going to uncheck that altogether and press OK. You don't need to restart Excel, but remember, these changes will apply only to any future work from now on. But let's go ahead and fix what we have right now. One of many options is to copy and paste in a new worksheet by pressing the Ctrl+C to copy. Then you're going to pick in a new sheet and select where you want this data. Right-click, paste special, and pick as values only. The downfall here is that we need to reformat the grids and fonts, so let us show you other ways. Let's go back to the original sheet, select your data, and click on the Home tab, the Decrease Decimals option in the Number group. So another way is to select your numbers, and you can press the Control key to select cells that are not together if you need to. And then we're going to go in the Home tab under the Numbers groups, and you're going to select More Number Formats. Right here, you're going to click under the Number category, and then you'll see that the decimal places are set to 2. We're going to decrease that to 0 and make sure that you press OK. If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and connect with us for more Excel tips. You can also copy the format of one number already without decimals, like we see here. Press Ctrl+C. Now you're going to select the numbers that you want this change to happen. Then you're going to select Paste Formatting Only, and make sure that you press the Escape key to deactivate this command. The last but my personal favorite is to use the Format Painter by first selecting the right format. Like you see here in the Home tab, you will see the brush. This time double click on it so you can go anywhere in your sheet and paint the right format as needed. Press the Escape or click on the brush again to finish and deactivate the brush. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to download our top 26 Excel shortcuts for both Windows and Mac in the link below. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you once again.